She can also use Kiswahili. It's okay.
Donc uburyo aza kumva wenda bimworoheye ariko aza gukora.
The easiest possible way that you're going is going to be easy for you, just use it.
Dukoresha umwanya neza.
But just balance the time.
Arakoze cyane.
Thank you so much.
Kamazina banita Nyamnezero.
My name is Nyamnezero.
Nawapa pole sana familia za.
I condole all of you.
Familia Nawaambia pole sana familia za Wanyamrenge wenye wamekosa familia zao abavandimwe.
I condole the Banyamulenge families who lost their loved ones.
Reka mvuge gatoya ibintu byambayeho.
I'm going to say to testify what happened to me.
Mvuge mu kirimi cyacu.
I'm going just to say my mother tongue. What is going to be difficult to me, I'm going to turn to Kiswahili. Back in 1996, I was 8 years old. We lived in Bibogobogo.
Papa yaraje twagiye kwa kakas abyara mama ni Raheri yari atuye mu Kiziba hariya Minembwe.
We had went to my grandmother's place in Minembwe.
Papa araza mu gitondo cya kare aravuga ko yaje kusezera tate baragiye nago azongera kumubona.
He came to my grandmother's place and said that I was coming to say bye to her since we're not going to meet again.
Nona papa aravuga ko akeneye bana biwe nari kumwe na musaza wanje kankurikira ku mgongo kitwaga Mugisha.
He said that he want to talk to his children. I was together with my brother.
Papa bamwitaga Fabiano mu muhungu wa Ndahengama.
My father was called
mama bamwitaga Ani.
My mother was called Ani.
Nona papa amare tate aramubwira nta kibazo ko wabonye ko nago tuzongera kubonana.
Then my grandma said that since you saw that we won't meet again,
nta kibazo ariko mwansize nabi yari yarwaye cyane.
She said that it's okay but I'm so sick.
Papa aramubwira nago yasiga abana biwe kandi papa yankundaga cyane aravuga ko nago yagenda wenyine yansize njewe.
Since my father loved me, he said that he can never leave me behind.
Amare turamanuka tugere iwacu mu Bibogobogo tusanga abashoreye Abanyamurenge benshi cyane bari kumwe abagabo n'abagore.
When we reached in Bibogobogo, we found people who were just taken as slaves, and both men and women.
Amare papa aravugana tugende kubera bose bari kugenda tugere ngaho nsanga mama ari kumwe n'abarumuna banje ariko umukuru wanje yitwaga Nyangabiri.
When we reached there,
muri family yacu na uhari.
Let's see, and we found my mother there, but my elder sister was not there.
Tumare turamanuka tugere mu nzira.
So we went ahead and went on our way.
Bari bashoreye abantu bari bazanye papa yari yarashoreye inka. Turi kumwe abantu benshi cyane abagore abagabo n'abakobwa n'abana batoya abagore bari bahese.
There were so many people including children, women, and even my father had their cows.
Tumare twageze handu bita Ikabera.
When we reached in Ikabera,
amare twageze ngaho tubona MAI-MAI baje.
We saw MAI-MAI came.
Baraje bagira papa bakamire amata ku isafuriya.
So they requested my father to give them the milk.
Papa arabagira nago bishoboka.
He told them that it is so impossible.
Amare kuriya kundu bari kuburana
as they were just having those arguments.
Bateri papa icyuma hano ku ijosi.
They snapped a knife on the neck of my dad.
Bamare kumutera icyuma tari twicaye hasi gutya gusa.
When they snapped him, we were just sitting there.
mbona papa aragwa hasi.
My father fell down.
Papa yaraguye ngaho nago twongera kumubona.
Immediately he fell down. We did not see him again.
None turaongera turirukanga. Umuntu arafata nzira yiwe.
So we went ahead. Each and everyone went on their way.
Twari kumwe na tate wacu bamwitaga Anastasia.
We were together with my grandma called Anastasia.
Iwe yaraguye hasi.
She fell down.
Arafa gusa nago bamukozeho.
And died. There's nobody who touched her.
Tumare bari abantu bari batushoreye twese turongera turirukanga tugera ibaraka.
We went ahead and went to Baraka.
Tugiye kugera muhanda hariya ikabe rweba kwinjira ibaraka ari mugabo umwe nawe ari kumwe ni abana family we yose.
There was a man who was there together with his family.
MAI-MAI na baramuteka ko ajyamana ni mukobwa wiwe.
The MAI-MAI took him because and raped the girl.
Ibyo bintu narabibonye n'amaso.
So he was accused of raping the girl.
Amare uyo mugabo ya kiragiye yanze nawe.
But the man refused.
Bamamtera icyuma nawe.
They also stabbed him.
Aragwa ngaho.
He fell down there.
Twaje kwibuka ko twageze mu rusengero rumwe hari Baraka.
I remember we reached at a certain church in Baraka.
Bayitaga Muemezi mu rusengero rwa sinzi ni baporo.
I don't remember the church clearly.
Tuliingia kwa hiyo kanisa.
We entered into that church.
Tukiwa wengi bado walikuwa hawajaisha watu, tulikuwa wengi sana.
We were so many people.
Urusengero ruruzura.
The church filled up.
Abantu ababembe barateka biryo baratuzanira urumunsi bakabaza bazana biryo tukama tusangira nabo.
The Babembe used to cook for us and we could share together with them.
Twari twicaye gusa turi kusenga nta kibazo twari tufite mu ico cyumweru cyose.
The whole week we spent the whole week praying.
Tumare ari ku cyumweru
on Sunday
amasaa 10
around 4 p.m.
tubona abantu baje bafite imipanga.
We saw people who came with pangas
bafite ibiti
and told us
baratugira leo ni leo hakuna hata mnyamrenge mmoja atatoka kwa hii kanisa.
They say today is today, there's no mnyamlenge that is going to go out of this church.
Nona tubona njena ari ndi mutoya mbona abantu bari kuburana cyane hariya.
I was still so little and I saw people arguing there.
Amare tubona batangiye kwica abagabo.
So we saw that they started killing the men.
Abamwe barabasora hanze yari inzu itafite madirisha gutya yari hejuru ilikuwa nyasi kando ni madirisha kubwa lakini haina madirisha.
It was just a room with open spaces.
Bona bari kukururamo bagabo akamamterura gutya akamukurura hanze.
They used to pick up a man and just throw him outside.
Sasa uko nje ni kama walikuwa wanawaua.
It's like outside there they used to kill them.
Nona tuonye bazanye viti.
So they bring the sticks.
Bama batera abagore bari batwite twari kumwe na mukuru wanje mukobwa wa Mushapa.
I was together with my elder sister.
Bamwitaga Nyamutoni.
She was called Nyamutoni.
Yari atwite inda amezi 9.
She was 9 months pregnant.
Bamteri igiti ilikuwa wanawadunga sehemu za siri. They
used to stab them in their pubic places.
Mbona mkuru wanje yamatitira nawe yarafa. Ari kumwe yari afitinda nago yari yabyaye.
She was not yet given birth.
Nilikuwa nasikia tu maneno ya misho wanamwambia we biragoye ni kuvuga. Bamare bafata mwana wacu mutoya mama yari afite bebe.
My mother had a little
baramushugunya hejuru nawe yaraguye hasi mwana amezi 6.
She was 6 months and picked him up and threw him.
Tukaona ubongo imetoka na kalikufa hapo.
And we saw the mind blew outside and he died there.
Marembo na twari twicaye mu nguni guca n'abasaza wanje Habimana Mugisha
We were in just a corner together with my brother.
birori twari twicaye nona tutegereje natwe kubera ndi kubona twari twasigaye bakeya muri rusengero kandi yari nijoro masaa 3 kuriya.
We were remaining few of us inside the church.
Tutegereje natwe nisanga barageraho batwici kubera tago nari ko turava muri rusengero.
We were just waiting for our own death because we are not sure if we can come out of that church.
Nawe mama niro rufu yafuye nawe baramjombe giti.
Even my mother was also stabbed that stick inside the private part.
Nawe yarafuye ndi kumureba mu maso.
She died on my side.
Sigara n'abarumuna banje bane basaza banje.
I remained with my 4 brothers.
Nona bamare yageze saa 4 kuriya batwika rusengero rwose batangiye hejuru kwa juu ilikuwa ni nyasi.
When it reached at 10 p.m. they burned down the whole church because it was just
wose bari bamenye petroli bamena ruhande na hejuru muriro tangira hejuru.
So they burned down because they had poured the petrol on the sides of the church.
Nona turaburaho twabiganye benshi bafuye mu byango bari kubigana kugira ngo basoke hanze.
Many of us died because they were struggling so that they can come out of the church.
Tugere hanze nisanze nje nyine.
When I reached outside, I found myself I was there.
Na bakobwa bamwe bakuru
together with other big sisters.
Tumare turiruka ngaho turi kubona ahantu bari kwerekera ndebe guca nani mubembe umwe yari yasige muri rusengero.
When I was just confirming there were no babembe who was remaining there.
Tumare turiruka nga muri Tanganyika hari nijoro cyane masaa 6.
Then we ran through the Tanganyika. It was around 12 p.m.
Tusanga boat ilikuwa inaenda Tanzania.
So we boarded a boat at 12 a.m. It was heading to Tanzania.
Nona wandu bazi kuogelea kwa maji ilikuwa mbali, ilikuwa na distance kwenye ilikuwa na sisi tulikuwa wadogo tulikuwa tuwezi kuoga tufike huko.
So those who knew how to swim, and for us we did not know how to swim because we were still so young.
Mare mugore umwe yabari bicaranye na mama ico gihe cyumwe cyose bari baza bavuga umubembe kazi.
There was a Mubembe lady who was just communicating with my mother throughout the time.
Yamangira mama wari hehe ndamubwira ko na Kiswahili twari tuzi ico gihe twaza tuvuga Kinyamlenge cyonyine.
At that time we did not know Kiswahili, we were just communicating Kinyamlenge.
Ndamubwira mama bamwishe na basaza banje nziko bafuye.
She questioned me and asked me where my mother is, and I told her that my mother died and I'm not sure if my brothers are still alive.
Abamwe barokose yari abakuru abanyamlenge bari bafite famille zabo bama baheka abana barirukanga bajya muri ya bato.
The Banyamlenge who had their families just took their children and went ahead into that boat.
Tukaingia kwa hiyo boat, huyo mama akanibeba akaniweka kwa hiyo boat akanifunika.
The lady took me and covered me in that boat.
Kuingia hapo tulikuwa na vijana wengi wa Nyamlenge.
When we entered into that boat there were so many men who are Banyamlenge.
Nona yageze mgitondo ya boat irahaguruka saa 12 ya asubuhi.
Around 6 a.m. the boat started the journey.
Turagenda tugere handu bitaga Mtambara. Kwa hiyo mto Mtambara inamwaga maji Tanganyika.
When we reached at that river Mtambara,
nona ba MAI-MAI baraza baratubaza mukibembe tuvuge bakaza bakubaza witwande mukibembe ukananwa kusubiza.
The MAI people used to come and question us, maybe what's your name, and if you don't give out the what they are asking,
bama bajugunya basaza banje babiri twari kumwe na Mugisha Habimana Ngomez.
They threw my 2 brothers into the lake.
Bama babata mu mazi n'abandi bahungu b'abanyamurenge benshi cyane bari basigaye kubera bari bafite imyaka 10-15 bari bayinje kwiriya kwa ile boti.
They were in the age gap of 10 to 15 years and they were inside that boat and they were all through in the water.
Sasa vijana wote walitupwa kwa maji.
All the boys were through in the water.
Wakiwa wanaangalia na macho hawakuwaua, unasikia tu kwa maji mtoto ametupwa, na saa hiyo ilikuwa ni masaa ya asubuhi na unaona kila kitu.
So it was early in the morning and you could see each and everything that was happening.
Tukafika Tanzania, tukaandikishwa kwa UN.
When we reached in Tanzania, we were registered in UN.
Kufika nikajipata niko mimi peke yangu na brother yangu mwenye anaitwa Mugisha.
I reached there and I found I was I and my brother only.
Ariko na mwana w'umuhungu Munyamurenge yarokose kwiyo nani twari turi kumwe na kasaza kanje konyine nabonye nani nakabonye kari gato yakafite imyaka 5.
There were no any other man who survived in that boat except my brother who was 5 years old.
Tugezeyo na ababembe bari batwaye abato.
It was Wabembe who gave us the boat.
Kuri UN bakama batubaza se famille yawe muri kumwe n'abande.
At UN they used to question us and asked us whom we are together with.
Kuna wenye walikuwa hawana familia, walikuwa wazazi walikuwa wameshakufa pale Baraka.
There are some of us whom we had no family because their parents had died in Baraka.
Baraba ababembe abasore b'ababembe bakazavuga uyu ni mugore wanje akamagenda.
The Babembe used to say that this is my wife and they could just go.
Tugezeho n'abakobwa benshi banyanziza ari umwe bamwitaga Nyamutoni.
We reached there and there were so many girls,
Mutesi.
Including them there were Nyamutoni, Mutesi.
Bama babashwerera kubera nje nari ndi mutoya wa mugore aravuga ko ngiye kumurera.
So since I was so young, that lady said that he's the one who's going to take good care of me.
Sasa tulikapelekwa kambi ingine inaitwa Rugufu.
They took us in Rugufu camp.
Tugezeho bakobwa benshi cyane.
We were so many girls there.
Ari bamwe bantu bari bazi ko barafuye ariko ari bakobwa benshi baririya Tanzania nago barafu.
Most of girls are still there in Tanzania. They are still alive.
Kubera bari abakuru bageze bafite imyaka 20 15.
They were there and they were 20 and 15 years of age.
Walikuwa wanafanyia unyama, juu walikuwa wamefungiwa mahali.
They were just kidnapped and placed somewhere.
Abantu bari bafite abembe bari bafite bagore babo bari bazaga bakabafata ku ngufu.
The Babembe who had their wives, they used to come and rape the girls.
Wanarepiwa, hakuna chakula walikuwa wanawapea, walikuwa kama house girl wao.
They were just housemaids and they used to rape them.
Bagendaga tulikuwa tunaenda kuwashenyea kuni.
We used to go and fetch.
Tunaenda tunaleta makaa, tunachoma makaa ili wao wapate makaa ya kupika.
We used to make charcoal so that they can be able to get the ones so that they can cook.
Cyane bamwe bafashwe ku ngufu batwarinda barabyara.
Most of them were raped and gave birth.
Bakama batubesha ko abanyamurenge bari abana batoya bose barizi ko abanyamurenge nibo bicanyi.
Everyone knew that the Banyamulenge, they're the one who killed others.
Nanje narakuze nziko kundibaza bangira ko abanyamurenge bari bageze yari muri ya kambi bafite famille zabo.
The Banyamulenge who reached that camp and have their families.
Babajyanye mu mujyi and bayitaga Kigoma.
They took them to Kigoma town.
UN ilikuwa imewafanyia haraka juu hakuna mnyamurenge walikuwa wanachomewa manyumba walikuwa wanachoma hiyo matenti wakiwa huko ndani wanawasha moto zinawaka sasa wanatoroka.
They used to burn down their tents so that they can be able to escape there.
Wenye walikuwa wanabaki kwa hiyo kambi sasa ni hiyo nani walikuwa wanafanyiwa hivyo tu na hakuna mali walikuwa wanaweza kwenda. Nubasanga mu nzira ukababaza uri munyamurenge tukama tutinya kuvuga turabanyamurenge.
They used to do us bad in that we used even to refuse to say that we are Banyamulenge because of the bad thing they used to do to us.
Tukatinya kuvuga kubera natwe bataongera kutuica.
We used to fear so that we can save our own lives.
Ari nabamwe bagiye hanze bakiri batoya.
Some of them even went abroad while they were still so young.
Kuriya nago ashobora kubagarura mtimo bagire ko umunyamurenge we bazi ko abanyamurenge nibo bari bishe famille zacu.
What they have in their mind is that the Banyamulenge families are the one that used to kill themselves.
Habe nemsaza anje yagiye Mugisha iwe yarajyanye n'uyo mubembe yari yamjyanye mu kambi bitaga Nyarugusu.
My brother went ahead with the Mbembe in the camp you called Nyabugusu.
Mugisha tuza tumuhamagara kama avuga ko abanyamurenge nibicanye n'iki gihe yaratuburose twese kuri telefoni na mru akimuvugisha yamahunga abanyamurenge bari kumwe iri ya Australia agenda yaragiye kure cyane.
He blocked us on phones and just went ahead and lived just away from Banyamulenge because of the mindset that were put into them that Banyamulenge they're the ones who used to kill them.
Marenje nageze imyaka 13 wa mugore arafa.
When I reached 13 years, the lady who used to raise me died.
Amare kufa nsigara kuzerera mu kambi gusa kubera bangaga abanyamurenge bakazavuga kubera iki UN iri kubajyana hanze na bo bakasigara mu kambi kubera iki.
They used to hate us because UN used to help us and took us into abroad, and so I used to just
nona nje ndazerera ubuzima wanje wari najyaga kuba Tanzania ngajya kuzana isombe ngahura ngagurisha kwa babembe ngabona byo ndya.
I used to go to Tanzanian citizens so that I can get the sombe so that I can just go on and sell them.
Nigera nijoro ngasanga marusengero ya iri mu kambi nago bashiraga miryango.
So the camp church, there were not placed doors.
Niyaba nijoro ngayinjira ngajyama.
At night, that's where I used to
buche abyuka ikakuwa kazi yangu ni hiyo.
That was my job, just doing normal work during the day. Then at night I used to go to church and sleep.
Umunsi umwe mbona umutanzania na aranjyana wiwe nje kuba mukozi wiwe.
One day a Tanzanian citizen took me as his own maid, housemaid.
Mare nkorayo.
I used to work there.
Wakasema kambi ya Rugufu inatakiwa ifungwe wakimbizi wote warudi Kongo.
They say that Rugumbi camp is going to be closed and all the refugees must go back to Congo.
Nicho gihe umubembe mwe yareraga abana b'imfubi.
At that time one Mubembe used to raise orphans.
Araza kunkurayo aranjyana nawe.
She also took me into that camp.
Nawe icho gihe namaze kuba mukuru.
At that time I was so old.
Ufatwa kungufu mbyara abana.
I was raped and gave birth.
Kubera nariziko muri Kongo abantu bose barashize twari turi muri Tanzania gusa tukama tutinya turasubira hehe.
Since we knew that Congo is over and there's nobody who left there, we used to think like if we are going to go back, where are we going to go?
Amare tusubira muri Kongo ya kambi barayifunga.
So we went ahead and we were taken back to Congo and the camp was closed.
Ngere ibaraka iwabo.
When we reached at Baraka,
na nikamtoroka nikarudi kwetu Mibogobogo.
I just escaped the lady and went back to my home, Bibogobogo.
Ngezeyo nsanga ni wa mukobwa Nyanziza umtahugwa.
When I reached there, I found Nyanziza.
Nona twamatugira na mateka.
So we went ahead and told each other the stories.
Ariko nago byashoboka naho baraza barankurikira bari abembe baraza kunkurayo banjyana bansubiza Tanzania kandi.
So they took her again and took her back to Tanzania.
Ni ubuzima twabayemo.
That's the life that we spend.
Ariko niko naomba wenye wako hapa.
So I'm just requesting those who are here.
Naweza kuwa mnasoma majina mkisema wasichana walikufa.
Maybe you're reading the names knowing that those girls that you're reading are already died.
Ariko nje kumaso yanje nasize bakobwa benshi muri ya kambi ya Nyarugusu si Rugufu.
I myself, I left so many girls in that camp.
Mugerageze ko bishoboka byose mugende muziri ya kambi.
Just try your best and go back to those camps.
Kubera imiti batuhaye ni imiti myinshi cyane kugira ngo urwenge ubu baziko bari bembe cyane baziko nibo beza cyane.
They dragged us and they feel like they are the ones who are better than us.
Bagende bagerageze bazane bari abana kubera uzima bafite.
Just try your best and bring back the girls because the life that they're having.
Nago bakufata neza kubera bari kuvuga amaraso baza batugira ni dore Nyarwanda.
They used to call us Banyarwanda.
Baziko turi Abanyarwanda kandi bakatufata nabi cyane.
They used to treat us so badly since they know we are Banyarwanda.
Kwa tunaomba watu wote wako hapa.
So we are requesting each and everyone who's here.
Muende mtafute hao watoto.
Just try your best and search for the children.
Juu ya maisha yenye tulipitia.
Since the life that we spend.
Ni mbaya kwa sababu hata mimi nilikuwa nikiona Mnyamlenge kwa barabara.
It's so bad in that when I saw any Banyamlenge in the road.
Naza musuza cyangwa mwereze kaboko kanje narabanze bose genageze hano muri Kenya.
I could just pass them because of the thing that I knew about them.
Kuri akunasanze bene wacu hano nasanze shangazi yari hano.
But when I found my aunt here,
aranyakira ntangira kugarura imico.
She received me and brought me back to the culture.
Murakoze cyane.
Thank you so much.
Yangane cyane.